Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you on how you can fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to head over to your system settings right here. And once inside, you can just go ahead and click on Wi-Fi. Inside your Wi-Fi, in order to fix this problem, you can just go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi that you want to connect right here, and inside you want to go ahead and click on the forget this network. Right after that, you want to join again to the Wi-Fi right here. Right after that, you can just go ahead and join right back to the Wi-Fi that you want to connect into, and that should go ahead and get you connected to Wi-Fi. Now if that doesn't work, you can just open up the general settings, scroll all the way down, and from here we have the transfer or reset iPhone. You want to click on the reset button, and from here you want to reset the network settings. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.